What is the best AI image generator? The answer should be Midjourney. If you think that, you are wrong, because Black Forest Labs recently launched the most powerful image generation model, Flux 1. These are some example images generated by the Flux AI image generator model. Look at the realism of this image. It's just insane. Not only that, you can create images with accurate text. In this image, there's a lengthy text within the image, but it still performs really well. If you think they are just cherry-picked images, we can try them ourselves. And today, I am gonna do that. Let's dive in. So, Black Forest Labs Flux 1 is an open-source platform. You can download the model, you can download it and install on locally. They have basically 3 different variants. The first one is the Flux Chanel, which is their lowest model. Then they have the Flux Dev, and their flagship model is the Flux Pro. Now what if you don't have a beast system to install it locally? Then you can use it online. Today, I am going to share one of the methods of using Flux 1 online. Today, I will use Abacus AI to generate images with Flux 1 Pro. It's not an image generator. It's an LLMs hub. Here you can use all the renowned LLM models in one platform. Not only that, you can even train and create your custom AI bot. Let's see how you can use Abacus AI to generate images with Flux 1 Pro. First of all, you have to create an account. Just head over to the description box and click on the provided link. Once you are on this page, click on the ChatLLM team option from here. After coming to this page, click on the Get Started button. On the next page, we have to create an account with Apple, Google, Microsoft, or your email account. Once you are successfully logged in, your interface will look like this. As you can see at the top here, you have all of these different popular LLM models like ChatGPT 4.0, Claude, to LLama 3.5, which is currently the best LLM, LLama 3, Gemini Pro, Abacus Smog are also available. You can use all of them here. Now you can tell me that there is no Flux model available here. Don't worry, Flux 1 Pro is integrated with these models. You have to just enter the prompt in the prompt box and hit the enter button. For example, I am typing image of a cute cat on a table, and then hit the enter button. After waiting sometimes, you will find 2 images like this. The first one is generated with DALL-E 3, and the second one is generated with Flux 1 Pro. You can see the model name on top of the images. The difference is very clear. Flux 1 generates more realistic. Honestly speaking, this image is really good from an ordinary prompt like this. Actually, GPT-4 LLM improves our prompt and creates a detailed prompt. If you select the generated image and then click on the info icon from here, you will see the improvised prompt generated by GPT-4o. Now you can customize this prompt and generate new images with the prompt. For example, I am making some minor changes on the prompt, and in the end, I am typing aspect ratio 19:9. Now hit the generate button and wait some time. And here they are. GPT-4 LLM generates 2 images for us. This one is generated by Flux 1 Pro, and this one is generated with DALL-E 3. Again, Flux 1 Pro is the winner in the case of image generating. It looks like an image shot by a professional photographer. Alright. Now let's try to generate images with more complicated prompts. I have collected some prompts. I will use them to generate images. If you want to get prompts like this, join our Discord and Telegram channels. Link the description. Okay. I am entering a prompt about a fantasy scene of a girl, a cat, and a moon. Let's see how it works. And here they are. And honestly speaking, Flux 1 Pro generates an outstanding image. It's a perfect scene of my imagination. I am just impressed. Look at the quality of the image. Its light, composition, and characterization are just impressive. It's a perfect fantasy scene. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And this is the result with 9:16 aspect ratio. Alright? Now I will test the text generation capability of this platform. I am entering a prompt about a young lady in a protest holding a placard written AI lockup. Let's see the results. This is the image generated by Flux 1 Pro. It's just impressive. The scene looks so realistic and the text is perfect. There are no typo errors here. I love this result. In that case, DALL-E 3 also generates images with perfect text, but the scene looks so artificial. Next, I will try to generate images with longer text. I am entering a prompt where a motivational quote in a bold black font on a white wall. The quote is, "Some people dream of success. Others stay away from achieving it." Let's see the result. And this is the resulting image. Honestly, I am just shocked by the result. It perfectly portrays the images with perfect text. Not a single spelling error. I didn't expect so much. I love it. Okay, now let's move forward to another upper level. This time, I am going to basically create a film poster. I am entering the prompt. After entering the prompt, hit the enter button. Let's see the result. The result is in front of you. Can you believe that this poster is generated by an AI tool? I don't think so. So, now you can also create high-quality creative movie posters with Abacus AI LLMs teams with the Flux 1 Pro model. In conclusion, I can say that the hype is real. Flux 1 is the perfect competitor of Midjourney. I love it. And now you can use it with Abacus AI ChatLLMs teams. Not only that, you can do so much with Abacus AI ChatLLMs teams. You can use all the popular LLM models to increase your productivity. For example, you can chat with any document. For example, I have this example of sales data. To upload the file, click on this small attachment icon from here. There are 3 options to upload any file. You can connect to Google Drive or OneDrive, select a file previously uploaded, or directly upload from your computer. I am uploading the file. After uploading the file, I am typing, "Give me some insights into the file." Now you can use any LLM model. I personally prefer Sonnet 3.5 for most, and then we can actually upload an XLS. Alright, after selecting the model, hit the send button. As you can see, here is all the important data in this sheet. Now you can ask anything about this data sheet. For example, I am asking, who are the top performer managers? Here you can see the names of top performer managers and other details, including the sales amount. That's great. Not only that, you can create visualizations also. For example, I am typing, "Can you create an interactive visualization of the top 5 performer managers with sales quantity and sales amount?" And you can see, it starts its work, and our visualization is ready. So, now you can use Abacus AI as your data analyst tool. It will be very beneficial to all kinds of business owners. In conclusion, Abacus AI is not just an LLM, it's a perfect platform for any kind of professionals who need LLMs to boost their business. You don't need to spend a lot of money to buy different subscriptions or suffer the hassles of maintaining various subscriptions. Just pay $10 per month and enjoy the unlimited access. So, don't forget to try this tool. Link in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Abacus AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.